How to connect your Poco X4 Pro phone with a Windows 10 computer or desktop. So be sure that both the phone and the computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi router. And also you want to turn on your location on your Poco phone as well as the Bluetooth, as eventually it will prompt you to turn them on. So go ahead and do those two. Let's move on to the next step. Next up, you'll go in the Startup menu, click on Settings. Then you'll see this show up, and you want to go to where it says System right there. As you enter into this section here on the left side where the light blue section is, you'll go to where it says Projecting to this PC. Now you may see two things here, either launch the Connect app, which is great, and if not, you might see this instead, Optional Features. For those of you who see Optional Features, click on it. Then you'll see this happen here, and you want to go to where it says Add a Feature. So click on that and a window will open up. From there, to find this feature that we're looking for fast, we'll type in the search bar the words wireless display. This may be a feature found on your computer or your desktop, and you'll want to go ahead and click on it and set it to install to make use of it, because this is what's going to allow for the screencast to connect. All right, so wait for it to install and wait for it to say that it's fully installed. And from here on, you can just back out of that and let's move on to the next part. Now you should see Launch the Connect app and these three drop-down menus. So for each of them, the first one, you want to make sure it says Available Everywhere. The second one should say every time a connection is requested. And the last one for the PIN should say Never. And this is just in case a pop-up may appear asking you to allow the connection. This is for that. But now that you're ready to screencast, you'll click on where it says Launch the Connect app. This will happen on your computer or your laptop, and on your phone, on your Poco phone, you'll use the quick panel access and look for the screencast toggle. You want to long press it to take you straight into that. Turn it on, and if it's your first time, you may be prompted to agree to some of the terms and conditions. And just go to the settings here, go to where it says App Permissions, as you want to allow it to give access to all of these features, especially the location. So go ahead and do that, because they will still tell you to please allow it. I don't know why it was doing that, but it did that for me. So if it does that for you, go ahead and let it allow. Going back to the cast, turn it on. It's going to start searching. You'll see the name of your computer show up there. And when you tap on that, it will show Poco X4 Pro is about to connect to your laptop or computer desktop. And if you were successful with this here, you should see all of this. From there, you'll see these options here as well for your screencast. And if this doesn't work, go ahead and turn off the Wi-Fi on both the phone and your computer. Then restart both devices, and that should allow it to screencast the second time around. Here, I'm just showing you another way you can access the screencast. Just go to Connection and Sharing, go to Cast, and you should see there, just turn it on or simply turn it off. And yeah, make sure Auto Rotate is set so you can go into landscape mode for your phone and your computer. And that is that. Hit that like, share, sub, and thanks for watching. Enjoy.